Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff on this RV, and I'm going to have a lot of travel related stuff on this channel with me and my beautiful wife. So we travel around the country in this beautiful Jayco Red Hawk Class C, and I am one of the lucky few that on a Class C actually has a leveling system. I'm a disabled veteran, I have several bad discs in my back, and for me, trying to set up an RV by putting leveling blocks and stuff underneath the tires just isn't going to work. Now I know the leveling system isn't going to be perfect. There's going to be times I'll probably have to put something underneath there, but this will eliminate a lot of times. Now this being a brand new RV, I want to do something to go ahead and protect my landing gear from any kind of damage and assist it in soft terrain to keep it from sinking. And that is why I have these right here. These are by a company called Snappads. There's a little inner lip right here, and just simply you put these under your landing gear, go ahead and lower it down, and they snap into place. And what this does is this gives you a nice hard rubber surface, so that way when you're putting your landing gear down and, like, say maybe rocks and stuff like that, and you're pushing the whole weight of your vehicle up, which this one here is just over 10,000 pounds, you're not bending and damaging your feet. Also, if you happen to be maybe in a situation you're parking in grass and the ground is kind of soft, this gives your landing gear a bit of a bigger footprint to go ahead and push down on and not sink. So let me go ahead and get the landing. Let me clean the feet of the landing gear, and then we're going to go ahead and put these on. And I'll show you how easy it is. And for the record, I am not paid or endorsed by SnapPad in any way, shape, or form. I paid for these 100% out of my own pocket. I just like to do tutorials and how-tos on my channel just to help other people out when I find a product. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. I'll leave a comment down below if these things ever fail or give me any kind of hard problems, and I'll update. But so far, from stuff I've seen from other YouTubers, it seems like a pretty good and solid product. So now we'll go ahead and put them on. So first thing they recommend is a little soapy water. So that's what I got mixed in here. It's not really glass cleaner. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that the feet of the jack are absolutely clean, because I don't want any dirt and stuff in there grinding away at it. So this isn't too bad. This vehicle's brand new. So what I'm going to do is just approximate where they need to be and how I want them to sit on here. You got these channels here for letting out water. I'm going to try not to aim it directly into the wind, so that way when I drive, rain doesn't force its way up in there. But and then what we're going to do is we're going to lower these one jack at a time. Okay, so I have not posted my video on the RV Snappads yet, so I want to give you a live update, or an update on their performance. We're out here camping, and we went to a place, some trails that we wanted to see, and unfortunately Google took us down some basically like fire roads, so we kind of buried these things and they never came off. You can see how much dirt we picked up. I mean, I literally like went down a thing and absolutely buried jacks. So I just want to throw that in there. That's a statement to how hard those things are to knock off, that I actually drove them into the ground and picked up that much dirt, and they never fell off. So good job. So that's the update.